Hi, I'm Shrijani Vemulapally and I'm a senior at Irvington High School. I joined DYC during quarantine really out of boredom, but as I got more involved with them, I realized that it was an amazing opportunity for me to explore my skills and improve on them, and to teach new skills to students and make sure and give them a new path. Throughout my 6 months with DYC, I did three different workshops, and I taught them three different topics on three different passions of mine, each of them being French, trigonometry, and app development. I really enjoyed teaching, and I really learned a lot about how students are and how teachers are as well. It was an amazing experience for me, and I'd love to continue to do more workshops. Additionally, I also helped with the DYC administrative department and helped develop their website, which also gave me more information about knowledge about running an organization and how everything works. Thank you, DYC, for this amazing opportunity. I'd love to continue working with you.